the Lahore High Court has recently upheld a case of appellate court and family court. What was the case about? Why did Lahore High Court upheld it? And what was the new judgment? Let's find that out. The case is actually about Faizan Karim, who had an estranged wife who filed a suit against him in year 2022. Now, where does the reservation come? The reservation comes on the fact that Faizan Karim chose not to agree or not to abide by the judgment of the appellate court that was issued on December 18th, 2025, because the judgment was about giving the proper rights to his estranged wife and his minor child or his minor daughter Bakhtavar. The case came out in the context that the family court in year 2024 had made a judgment for Faizan Karim to give the maintenance charges for his wife and his daughter for 6,000 rupees per month each. And subsequently, when the same case was exercised in the appellate court, the appellate court actually enhanced, rather increased those maintenance charges or those maintenance fees by 10,000 rupees per head per month. Yes, and this was here comes the reservation of Faizan Karim, who challenged this appellate court's decision in the Lahore High Court, saying that not only he is unable or he does not afford to pay this much of charges per month, but also he said that Ahmedpur East Appellate Court also lacks the jurisdiction in his case, and that was the very reason that came out in the context of his objection and his challenge of that verdict to the Lahore High Court. Now, what does Justice Lahore High Court had to say? Let's talk about that. Upon scrutinizing the entire case meticulously, Lahore High Court had deliberately dismissed all the arguments by drawing a clear distinction between the rights of his estranged wife, Faizan Karim's estranged wife, and his minor daughter. On the other hand, Lahore High Court chose to uphold the judgments of family court and appellate court and said that all kinds of payment of maintenance that were previous in times and that will come in times of future must be paid by Faizan Karim to his minor child and his estranged wife. And number three, and most important, is that Lahore High Court had said that not only these payments of maintenance shall be provided in full manner, but now when the case is being remanded again to the lower courts for the fresh trials, even when there will be trials or proceedings going on, that time shall not even be missed by the payment or for the payment of maintenance to his wife and minor child. Yes, so not only he has to clear all kinds of maintenance retrospectively and in times in future, but also now when there is going to be a new process of adjudication, Fazan Karim has to pay those maintenance or those charges to his wife and daughter all along during this time of trial.